Moving on, Tata Passenger Electric Mobility has launched an all-new brand identity, Tata.ev, which is in line with the brand's commitment to sustainability and innovation. With the core philosophy of Move with Meaning, the new identity embodies the values of sustainability, community and technology. We are catching up with Vivek Srivatsa, Head Marketing, Sales and Service Strategy, Tata Passenger Electric Mobility, and speaking about this new identity, what will it mean for the business and also the consumers? Listen in. Vivek, welcome to CNBC-TV18 again.
Thank you, Shivani.
So we are meeting on the sidelines of this new identity unveil for Tata EV business. It's called Tata.ev from now on. If you can share with us what has been the business objective behind this move.
Yeah, EV customers are viewing it very differently from a traditional car purchase. You know, right from the customer buying experience to the ownership cycle to the kind of product upgrades they get. They are looking at it more like a gadget purchase. The mindset is more like a tech buyer than an automotive buyer. So we thought that if we have to expand the EV business and appeal to more and more such customers, we need to have a fundamental change in the way we approach in terms of customer experience, right from the website to the brand design to the network, service and beyond. So what you see today in terms of new brand design is the first step towards that direction. We thought we need to give an independent identity to the EV side of the business, and you will see this permeating across different customer touch points, and this will kind of inspire and enable us to deliver the higher expectation of our customers.
Yeah, and any brand or rebranding, brand building exercise is like a massive exercise, lasts over like a couple of months. If you can also share with us, how did you come upon and arrive upon like this new identity? You're wearing a badge right on your jacket, so if you can tell us more.
So it's been in the work for about a year or so. You know, when we started off, it was about creating a different look and feel. Then many other aspects came in, you know. Obviously today sustainability is a big statement. The Tata Group has made big commitments towards sustainability. Tata Motors has committed to be carbon neutral by 2040, which is one of the most ambitious commitment by an auto company in India. We have committed to becoming water neutral by 2030 as well. So a lot of commitments on the table, and that had to be woven into the EV business because it's an integral part of achieving those commitments. And there are other complications like how do we extend it beyond communication to other physical, digital touch points. How does the customer see it? Tata is obviously, we wanted Tata to be there. We could have actually gone to some other name, but we said we had to have the group name there because in many ways it is the customer facing identity of electric mobility of the group. Dot there signifies digitization, like .com. It's very, the minute you say dot, it's digital. The orbit around EV is perpetual motion. It's like a comet which keeps accelerating, but it's also like an electron which keeps rotating. And it's also about the circular economy, and it also signifies environment in total where matter doesn't disappear or is not made. It's only changes of structure, so it kind of signifies the entire world.
Any electric vehicle is currently available in the Tata Motors showroom.
But
will there be separate stores expected in the pipeline, and what else will it mean to the customers of Tata Motors?
So currently we have a concept called shop in shop where EVs are in one fixed place within our existing PV stores. The intent is to create a new retail experience for EVs which are exclusive. It will come sometime down the road because we have to accommodate all the cars. You know, we've already committed there's going to be 10 EVs in our portfolio by 2025.
Till 2025. How much of work has been
I mean, that's progressing well. But the important point is if we have 10 EVs and we'll have almost the same number of ICE products as well. So we need to, create space for that. Probably not enough in one showroom. So that's driving the retail decision as well. But importantly, the customer experience, which will be inspired by the new brand design, will also go there.
Vivek, also share with us, what will it mean for the upcoming season of IPL? For the last season of IPL, you led with the Tata Tiago EV. So can you tell us more on that?
So upcoming season is quite uncertain because the bidding goes fresh again. Of course, as title sponsors, we have first right of refusal by the Tata Group, Tata Sons, and we are partners with Tata Sons in IPL sponsorship. So it's something we'll have to see. There are several dominoes to fall before we come to that place. But yes, hopefully we should be back again.
And this announcement has just come in at a time when we are setting foot into the festive season. Was it strategic, and what do we expect from Tata.ev in the coming months of the festival?
It is strategic because we thought it's a good way to kick off the next step. We recently launched 1 lakh EVs and beyond as a message, and this is the beyond part. Where we are paving the way for the next phase of growth. Like I said, new products are coming. We'll have to create more retail infrastructure. Importantly, digital buying. We are creating a new brand digital platform for customer engagement and purchase. So there will be several touch points where this comes in the next few months, and you'll see the brand design actually getting expressed in many ways. So in a way, this is a kickoff for all that is going to come.
What is your expectation from the festival season? How will it fare according to you in terms of demands? And has there been an uptick in also the smaller towns and the rural markets?
Yes, I think auto industry has been on a bit of a roll, I would say. Initially, there was a lot of customer demand. Now manufacturers are really going strong with a lot of new launches. Festival demand is bound to be strong on the basis of the new launches and the kind of excitement it creates. Smaller towns as well have responded very positively, especially for EVs. The Tiago EV has gotten very good response from the smaller towns. Close to 25% of our sales come from the smaller towns, and we expect this year EVs to really make a mark in the smaller towns.
Last time we spoke, Vivek, you mentioned how almost a quarter of your customers is women for Tata Motors EV business.
Yes.
If you can share with us, what are your plans and how are you currently engaging with this cohort of your customers?
We will continue to focus on women as one of the key customer groups. The new brand design and its expression will actually appeal a lot to women as well. So it will help us get more women. A lot of new features in upcoming products, and which will introduce in new products as well, will be oriented towards safety and women. And EVs as a mobility solution for women is a very, very positive, I would say, move. Is what we are seeing.
Great. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Shibani. My pleasure always.
It is time for a short break. On the other side, we have Prabhakar Tiwari, Chief Growth Officer, Angel One, speaking about their Super is Here campaign and the new app and how are millennials and Gen Zs investing today.